In today's video, I'll show you how to create an N8N workflow quickly. First, open your browser and go to the official N8N website. Sign in to your account or sign up if you haven't yet. Once logged in, you'll be in the N8N canvas, your workspace for building workflows. Look for the plus icon to open the nodes panel. Nodes are the building blocks of your workflow. Search for the node you need, and if there's a verified community node, you can install it for extra functionality. Once installed, drag the node onto your canvas and position it where it fits in your workflow. Repeat this process to add more nodes, connecting them to automate tasks efficiently. Experiment with their settings to tailor the workflow to your needs. And that's it. You've started building a powerful automation in N8N. Happy automating!